Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another review. Recently I received an email from a company called Lemolifys, or Lemo. They asked me if I'd like to have an LED light for my garage, because I guess he saw some of my videos where my lighting is not very good in the garage. I have two long fluorescent bulbs, but sometimes it's just not bright enough, especially for YouTubing and camera work. You can't really see anything that clearly in the garage because it's so dark. Anyway, they decided that they were going to send me a couple of 5-blade LED lamps that you just screw into your E26 or E27 type sockets. Problem is, I don't have E26 or E27 sockets. They're just long fluorescent bulbs that are in that type of casing, you know. But those things are very cheap to install and easy to do. So I got this package in the mail yesterday, and they're smaller than I thought. In the picture it looks much bigger, almost like a fan, you know. Oh, E26, E27 type socket for me to install. Very cool. So here's the light. It's a 5-blade fan type LED bulb, if you will. And the blades you can adjust, move outwards or inwards. Let's say you have just a floor lamp or something, right? You can use this basically as a bulb. It's got bulbs on the top and on the sides. You can just screw it in. Or if you have the hanging E26, E27 type in your garage, this would provide ample lamp strength. So this is a 100-watt light, and it provides up to 10,000 lumens. Basically, you would install your E26, E27 on your ceiling, connected negative and positive wiring, and you just screw it in, man. It's that easy. I'm gonna go in and install this E26, E27 socket on my ceiling, and then we'll try it out. As you can see, I have bought a propeller type light from another company, and it seems to work very well. I'm going to install this light on this lamp, this floor lamp, just to get a feeling about what it looks like with the blades extended and retracted. Let's check it out. There we go. So that's pointed upwards. Then when you move the blades downwards, cool. I'm going to climb up to my test bulb and remove it.
Don't fall, Henry.
I'll try not to. Basically as easy as screwing in a light bulb. All right, let's see how this works now. Okay, are you ready? Let's turn it on. Wow, that's much brighter. Look at that. So basically, if you have your own E26 or E27 type socket, you can install this light and it's super bright. As you can see, it's far brighter than my fluorescent bulbs. Far brighter. If you had 2 of these in the garage, you would have really good lighting in your garage. This light goes for $29.99 on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Be sure to check it out if you're interested. Free shipping as well. Anyway, thanks to Lemo for sending me a couple of lamps. I'm going to give one to my friend. Thanks a lot for joining me on this review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.